everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 16, cleaning is our job, from question number 6. So let's start from question number 6. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What kind of difficulties do sweepers face while doing their work? Answer. They face a lot of difficulties while doing this work. For example, while cleaning, sweeping the road, dust enters their lungs through their nose. So there is a possibility of suffering from diseases of the respiratory system. They sometimes suffer from skin infections due to the dust and dirt sticking to it. Their hands and feet and clothes become dirty. They even get suffocated while cleaning sewers, which make them unconscious, and there is fear of losing their lives too. Number 2. If nobody cleared the garbage lying outside your school or your house for a week, then what would happen? Answer. If nobody cleared away the garbage, there would be heaps of garbage all around. Dirt and filth would increase a lot. If garbage lying outside the school or home is not cleared from 1 week, it will start stinking. Since there is wet as well as dry trash in the garbage, it will start rotting and people will start falling ill. There may even be an epidemic. It would be very difficult to go to school or live in the house. Next, number 3. What type of work or job do people like? Why? Answer. People like to work or have a job in government offices. Reason is there is job security in such work. There is no manual labor involved and one can work comfortably on a chair and table. People also treat us respectfully when we work in such an office. Next, number 4. Why did Gandhiji and his team start doing cleaning? Answer. Gandhiji believed in doing one's own work oneself. If we ourselves clean our dirt, no one else will have to do this dirty work. Gandhiji started this work in Sabarmati Ashram itself. When Gandhiji and his team went to stay in a village near Wardha city in Maharashtra, there were no facilities in the village. There they started cleaning toilets. They thought that if we start doing this work, the villagers will also do it. This will bring change in people's thinking. This is the only way untouchability will be abolished. So, Gandhiji and his team continued their job of cleaning. Number 5. How will you treat people who clean toilets and drains right? Answer. I will treat people properly. They are the one who get rid of the dirt from our toilets and drains. If they did not do this work, we would have to clean the toilets and drains, a job which we abhor or hate. Moreover, it is only because they do this job that we do not have to do it. So all of us should be grateful to them. Number 6. Why is it necessary to keep the house clean? Answer. If we keep the house clean, insects like flies and mosquitoes as well as disease spreading germs will not be seen in it. As a result, we will not fall sick and will remain healthy. Moreover, the mind feels happy in a clean environment, so we will be healthy mentally also. Number 7. Why is disinfectant sprinkled in potholes filled with dirty water? Answer: foul smell spreads around potholes filled with dirty water and mosquitoes breed in it. Diseases like malaria and dengue spread due to mosquitoes. When disinfectant is sprinkled in potholes filled with dirty water, mosquitoes are destroyed and diseases do not spread. Number 8. What happens if you do not keep your clothes, books, and toys, playing equipments at the proper place at home? Discuss it. Answer: if I do not keep my clothes, books, and toys, playing equipments at the proper place at home, the house will look untidy. Moreover, it if clothes, books, and toys, playing equipments are not in their proper place, they will not be found easily when they are needed. Question number 7. Answer as asked. Number 1. What if the sweepers were not doing the cleaning work? Think. Answer: if the sweepers did not do the cleaning work, trash would be seen all over our yards, at home, and on the streets too. As a result, there would be dirt everywhere, which would lead to diseases. We would have had to sweep the trash around our houses ourselves, collect it, and throw it in trash cans. The question of where and how to dispose of trash already collected in the trash can would arise. Public places would not have been cleaned. Thus, there would be heaps of trash and dirt everywhere. Number 2. What is our responsibility to keep each place clean? Answer: as an aware citizen, it is our responsibility to keep each place clean in the following ways. Number 1. By sweeping the area around us and keeping it clean. Number 2. By throwing the trash and leftovers only in the trash cans. Number 3. By not littering any public place. Number 4. By not piling trash at the corner of the street, the society, or the village, but throwing it only in the trash can kept at such places. Number 5. By flushing toilets after use and not leaving them dirty, whether home or public toilets. Number 3. Name the people who do the following jobs. Number 1. Ironing clothes. Answer: washerman. Number 2. Cleaning roads. Answer is cleaners. Number 3. Regulating traffic. Answer is traffic policeman. Number 4. Selling vegetables. Answer is green grocer. Number 5. Driving a bus. Answer is driver. Number 6. Building a house. Answer is mason. Number 7. Examining a patient and giving medicine. Answer is doctor. Number 8. Teaching in a school. Answer is teacher. Next we have activity number 1. Make group of students in class and create slogans for the notice board. Write the slogans in the space given below. Number 1. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Number 2. The first happiness is to do things yourself. Number 3. Cleanliness is the key to good health. Number 4. Wherever there is filth, there is ill health. Number 5. Clean village, beautiful village. Number 6. Clean body, healthy body. Number 7. Let us clean our own dirt. Number 8. There is no shame in cleanliness, it is our right. Number 9. Use toilets for nature's calls. Number 10. Open defecation is shameful. Now, activity number 2. Draw or collect and stick the things used for keeping our surroundings clean and write their names below each. So here you have to stick the pictures, or you can also draw 4 things that you use to keep your surroundings clean. So here I have written things of 4 such things. Now what you have to do, you have to collect pictures or you can also draw them. First is long broom, second is broom, third is tub, and fourth is trash can. Now we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Where should dirty water and leftover food be thrown? Options: A. In a public ground, B. In the yard, C. In a drain, D. In a well. Answer is C. In a drain. Number 2. Which of the following facts is not considered good for maintaining a clean environment? Options: A. Throwing dirt in public places, B. Throwing trash everywhere, C. Open defecation, D. All of the given. Answer is D. All of the given. Number 3. Which of the following statements is true for cleanliness in Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram? Number 1. Options: A. Cleaners used to do all the cleaning jobs. B. People had been given the job of cleaning toilets. C. Every person staying in the ashram did all kind of work. D. It was allowed to leave the work that one did not like to do. Answer is C. Every person staying in the ashram did all kind of work. Number 4. What was Gandhiji's name? Options: A. Mohandas, B. Narayan Bhai, C. Mani Chandra, D. Mahadev Bhai. Answer is A. Mohandas. So here we complete the solution of chapter number 16, Cleaning is Our Job. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.